So I'm down 8 pounds. Took me 2 weeks to lose 8 pounds, which ain't bad because I've been on my diet. I ain't ate nothing all day but a coffee. In the morning, I took my protein drink with my vitamins. It's like 7 o'clock, I don't know. But anyway, I'll bust open this watermelon. It's gonna be my dinner. Let's get it. Oh, I seen somebody cutting this watermelon like this on YouTube. So you cut them in half. Not YouTube, Instagram. Cut them in half. That's usually a good sign. When it's split like that, that's usually a good sign. All right, that's cool. So look, move that, bam. Then you cut this half in half, right? Okay. Some sweet little watermelon. Okay, man, right? This is the slicing part. What you do is go bam, 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 bam. Turn to the side. Bam, bam. Oh, this side too. My bad. Hold on. Bam, bam. Now, you get all the cuts out the way. Get you a bowl like this, and then you just do this. All right. It's like the perfect way to get it. That way, you ain't gotta worry about. See all them chunks is nice and big. That's it. Sometimes you like an extra little piece like that in there. Blah, 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 blah. A little extra. That's it. You get one. Big chunks.